Hi everyone, Rodrigo here once again, and today I'm gonna show you how to input data manually on Alteryx. So let's do it together. First of all, guys, I wanna just to invite you, if you are not subscribed in our YouTube channel, please just subscribe right now. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to thumbs up for us, okay? This will be really amazing for us. So now let's see my screen. You can see my screen, my Alteryx Designer screen already. So we have just to move on to this left side over here. And there is that tab called Favorites. So in this tab, we have this text input tool. Also, we can find this tool if you are not seeing in your computer. You can just move on to this tab called in out over here. When you click once, you will see the input data here. There is also one more way to do that. Just move on to the right corner over here, and then in this search bar you can just type input, for example, and then you will see a lot of tools related to this expression, to this word input. So the text input is this one with this book with a kind of 3 points that you can see in the right side of the book. Okay, this is the tool. However, guys, I will select my tool from the left. Okay, so I will drag the text input from here and then drop in my Canva, and then move on to the configuration section. In this configuration section, I can just create the headers of my columns, the data that I want to input, and there's a lot of other things, other possibilities. Not a lot, but there's a few of other possibilities that I will show you in a few moments. First of all, let's just name it our columns, okay? The first one I will call name, the header, and then in the second one, I will call value. Then you can just create, you can just insert some data. So the name, I will put my name, Rodrigo, and then the value, I will put 10, for example. Also, I can just click on enter and then create more rows, okay, if I want it. So I will put the name of my sister, Mayara, and then the value, I will put 20. And also you can create a new column. You just have to click on this part, the third column that already appeared, and then just create something, for example, age. And then I can just create the age here, for example, 35 and 32. This is the age. Okay, and that's all. After that, you can just move on to the run button over here and click once, and you will see the results appearing in these result sections, okay, and this below part over here, right? Also, guys, if you don't want to just to type every single data, for example, you want to just to import some data from an Excel file, for example, it's easy and you can do it also, okay? I will just create some Excel file first. Let me open one Excel file for you, just to understand. Blank workbook, and then I will put it here, name, value, and age, okay? And I will repeat the names, so Rodrigo, Mayara, and then, value. The value here is 20, is 20? No, it's 10. 10, and this one, 20, okay. Then the age, 35, and Mayara, 32. That's all. I'm gonna save this. Okay, I don't want to save because I want to show you how to copy and paste, but you can save if you want. Then if you move on to the Alteryx again, I will just delete this one, this text input, and I'm gonna just drag and drop a new one. Okay, I have a new one, and then I wanna just to copy and paste the information. So this is the first way to introduce data. If you wanna just select the data over here, okay? I will select the 3 columns and all data, and then copy. And then you can just click on this part and then paste, and you will see that appear the values over here, okay? In my case, I had a problem with the first line, so I will just copy the first line again, and I will paste on this part, Okay, now I have the header and I have a wrong row over here, right? This one is not a data, valid data. So I wanna just to delete this first row. How to do that? Just select the row, the number of the row over here, then move on to this part, delete part, and then delete rows. And the row just already deleted, right? So it's easy to do it. You can just arrange a little bit your data when you copy and paste. Also, there is a last one thing that we can do with this tool. And now I'm gonna save. So I'm gonna save my file as data text input. I will call text input my file. Save and download in my computer. And then I will delete this one, drag and drop a new one again. Then I will just put it here, insert, no, not insert, in this part, the import, this file icon, okay, in the left corner of the configuration. So I will click in the import and then I will select it, which kind of file I wanna just to import. I wanna import the text input, so I click in the file, then text input, then open. Then I have to select it. Oh, I cannot open. Why I cannot open? Because I have the Excel file opening in my computer, so I have to just close first. Now I'm gonna do it again. Click on the file icon, then file. Then I will select the Excel file, open it. Then select which sheet I wanna just to import, the sheet 1, and then I will click on OK, and I can see the information's already here. Okay, easy. Then click in the button run and I can see the results. Okay, guys, the text inputs, it's a kind of tool that you just import data, or you can type data, but this is a static vision of your data. Okay, in this case you cannot just upload it when you click in the run, different from the input data tool that I already showed here on YouTube. If you didn't watch it, please go there and the Alteryx playlist and you will see the input data tool working. Okay, that tool is related to uploaded the data each time you click on run. In this case, with text input, we created some static information, all right? And if you want to change, it is easy. It's really easy. You have just to click on the data and then rewrite. For example, I will change the name for John, from Mayara to John. I just change it, click in the run, and I can see now John, okay? This is a static vision. Even if you import from a file in your computer or a data source, when you import it for a text input tool, this will be static, right? So guys, that's how to use the text input on Alteryx. If you like it, don't forget to just thumbs up for us. If you're not subscribed, again, please subscribe. This is important for us. This improves our engagement here on YouTube, and you have to increase our community here. So I count on you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.